Hi everyone, today we are going to see about how to create a company, alter and delete in Tally ERP9. Let's get started. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Steady With Me. I'm Srikant. I'm here to demonstrate on Tally ERP9 how to create a company, delete and alter the company informations on Tally ERP9. Let's get started. Once you open your Tally ERP9, we have to work in execution mode. Once it opened, it will be leads you to the gateway of Tally. On gateway of Tally, we have masters, accounts informations, transaction, the accounting voucher, utilities, import data, banking, report, balance sheet, profit and loss account, ratio analysis, displays, and quit. This will be contained in gateway of Tally. Over in the right corner, you can see F1 for select a company, F1 underscored F1, which means Alt plus F1 to shut company, that's mean for close down a company. F2 is a date, Alt plus F2 for a period, Alt plus F3 is a company informations, and in the bottom you can see F11 the features. It will have the company features, accounting features, statutories and taxations, add-on features. The quit will help you to come out of this menu to gateway of Tally. As as we already seen in Tally Prime, it will be automatically appeared once you created a company. In Tally ERP9, you have to make changes here. If you want, you have to press F11. You can change your anything, any details if you want to say so. So everything is fine here. We can go back. So let me now we are going to create a company. Okay, Alt plus F3 is a shortcut to create a company. Once you have pressed the Alt plus F3, it may show you the company informations. Select a company if you already created. Now we are going to create a company, so just create company, the third option. You can go by a shortcut key C, just pressing C. I pressed. This is the company creation screen. Once it appears, you are going right. Give a name to a company. I'm giving my YouTube channel name. Steady with me. The exclamatory mark. India. This is here also, as I told you in. Sorry. Steady with me. Once you changed your country from here to some other country, you can. There are many options are there. You can go to Kenya and press enter. The currencies below here will be changed. You can see on the screen. You can hit the backspace to comes up to a previous step in the same screen. State is Tamil Nadu, pin code 66016, phone number, don't have phone number, we go for mobile number, double got in numbers, emails we can give. Financial year begins from 1/4/2021 and book beginnings from 1/4/2021. All you know, it is all there for here are security reasons. A Tally Vault password. If you say I want a password, you can type your password there. You can type my name, Srikanth YouTube. Repeat the password. Yes. Yes. You can press no here. We can come up. What is this all? And if you want your password, you can give. If you don't want, you can erase it just simply. I can leave without a password and go by just clicking Ctrl plus A to save a company. Once I did, it comes out and it shows you the option below the current create company. It can give you a create a group company. Going to post another video about how to create a group company. It will be in the description, the video link in the description, and it will be shown up in the cards also up there. Now your company has been created, and that company, which company is selected, it is which company you are working on will be shows here. First MSK classes is shown, but now you see study with me and now vouchers were entered. So now you can come back to gateway of Tally just by pressing the escape key in your keyboard. Once you comes out, you have to change some informations which you are given ID or place. Something was mistakenly typed and you have to change those things. Means you can press again Alt plus F3. Once you have to find the alter option. Alter. Press enter and it will shows you the both companies which you have created. You have to change the study with me option. Companies, you have to study with me. The company comes in, it shows you the details which was there. You missed the address, right? You can type your address too, or to type your 18. Rufus Nila. Now you are created and you have to give your phone number, it's mobile number, so you can give your phone number, which means the telephone. And you can just enter all over a type and save your company just pressing in the enter key alone. Now you have changed it, your full company. Now you have to delete your company. We have completed how to create a company and how to alter a company. Now we are going to shut our company. For that you have to select your company. So you can press F1. It can shows you all the companies you have created in the system. If you don't want that, you can just like the last options, you can go to last time we did right alt for alter, you can go to alt plus F3. From alt plus F3 you can go to alt option. You can find that company which you want to delete, press enter on it. Once you there, you can use alt plus D, delete. Once you press yes there, we'll ask you again, are you sure? Yes. Your company is deleted. Look, here the MSK class is there. No study with me. The company is not there. It is deleted. You can come out of this also. This company information to Gateway of Tally. Once you are in Gateway of Tally, you can find in the left side the list of selected companies. You have only MSK classes. The Study with me company has been erased. Thank you for watching my video, and please stay tuned. Next video will be about how to post the vouchers on Tally ERP9, and by the meantime you can view my Tally Prime videos. The link in the descriptions. Subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon, and be always ready to do all in a good way. All the best and have a healthy life. Be safe. Thank you.